how to snooze on Facebook. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to Facebook application. Here in Facebook homepage, go to menu on the lower right side on your screen. Okay, tap menu. Here in menu, go to gear icon on the upper right side on your screen. Tap gear icon. Here in settings and privacy and preference section, okay, go to content preference. Okay, you can tap this. And now here in content preferences, you can see here the snooze. So you can snooze people, page, and group to temporarily stop seeing their post. Okay, you can tap this and you can see here the snooze people, page, and group to stop seeing their posts and feed for 30 days. So okay, you can select here an option below. So you can scroll down for more or you can search here in search bar. So for my example, I snooze the MacBook Air user Philippines. Okay, you can tap the snooze button on the right side of this to snooze the MacBook Air user Philippines. So another is SSS Online Assistant. So you can tap the snooze button on the right side to snooze this SSS Online Assistant. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully snoozed on Facebook. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.